Hello everybody, this project is for my R2 students. We're gonna practice to do some printmaking. We're gonna need this brayer to roll the ink. We need these inks, block printing inks, and this tray to mix our inks. We're gonna need construction paper to do our prints, and this really nice foam. It's really soft and could be used on both sides. You're gonna outline something you like, and then you're gonna use these cutting tools. There are some different sizes. So you're gonna cut out, and only elevated areas will be printing. What you're cutting out, it's not gonna reach the ink, and keep in mind that. So it's really easy to cut. Okay, so I have one already. I want prepared already, one plate. So I'm gonna roll in the ink. Okay, so here you go, guys. I'm gonna just add this beautiful ink, yellow color. And I'm gonna have to use this brayer to roll and cover all sides of my roller with this ink. It should be like thin layer of the ink on each side of the brayer. Okay, I think I finished. Okay, so I'm gonna roll on my plate. Oops. Okay, so and then I'm gonna do my print. Okay, so just press it in like this, and I have my print. And then you're gonna practice how it looks like on different colors. Let's say if you wanna do your print on black, then it looks like this. And then if you need to roll a little bit more of the ink on the roller, then you just do that. But for me, this print looks just fine. So if you add let's say blue, a little bit blue to yellow, you can make it green. So you can do that. Just mix the colors the way you want. Just have your color wheel in front of you when you're mixing the colors, and decide what colors you're gonna use, and what paper you're gonna use, what color of the paper you're gonna use. Let's say green. Let's say green. How it looks like green on this. You just don't have anything else. You just press like this. You don't have to have any presses. So you're gonna do nice group project, and you're gonna create textiles for me. And thank you so much. Thank you. I hope you're gonna like this project.